Hello, I'm Sammy with Steamaction, and today I'm going to show you the 2026 Nike 749. This machine has a 26.5 horsepower Kohler engine. This is California compliant. It also has a 45 blower and a 4-gallon a minute general pump. If you notice, we kept the same compact design that we've always had on our Nike units, but we listened to our customers. Our customers said they wanted more access they put in a bulkhead, so that's what we did. We moved the recovery tank from behind the machine to the side of the machine, which gave you that access that you needed to be able to get behind your machine, access your filters. So if you desire a bulkhead, this machine will fit better in your needs. The other thing you'll notice is we've adapted our stealth tanks into this. So this now has an F5 filter built straight into it. Another great feature about this machine with putting the built-in F5 on here, you're able to change this front cover out. So if you wanted two 2-inch fittings here, say you're running a bunch of upholstery and you want to do dual string ends on there, you could do that. You can also put a massive 2.5-inch hookup on here to run that 2.5-inch hose in there if you wanted to. It's also a great feature that is built into all of our stealth units, but we're incorporating that into our Nike line. Moved all our controls to one area. Your control panel still looks the exact same as it did on the Nike units. So if you're adapting into it or you're adding to your line, your technicians will still be able to use it just the same. A couple little things we did. We added a access port to the side to access the internal float. We've also went in and changed to a new design on a coupler. So we went to a easier design. This just unbolts versus having to slide things back. So that made it a whole lot easier to change your belt or your coupler at that time. You actually got room behind the machine now. So you're able to get right back in here and get to your filters and your recovery tank. Increase the flow of everything. We put a big, massive 3-inch intake going into the recovery tank, which is going to increase our vacuum even more. And as you all know, we have the most vacuum in the industry. Even this little machine is definitely going to pack a punch. It has a 75-gallon fresh water and a 70-gallon recovery. As you know, before we used to have a 65-65. Everybody wanted a little bit more water, so we upped that. But this new California compliant engine is very, very smooth. It is probably the best that I've ever seen Kohler do. I'm very impressed with this engine. Overall, I'm very impressed with the way this machine runs. Being held to our high Steamaction standards, this machine can run out 350 feet of hose and still achieve the 2-hour or less dry time, which is amazing. That's top notch in our industry. I just want to tell you all, thank you very much for watching it. And if it wasn't for you all, we wouldn't be here. Thank you and have a great day.